Got the salsa verde Doritos going on for these fried shrimp tacos. Let's go. All right, y'all, we got our breading station here. We're gonna season up the flour, season up the eggs. We're using my West Coast shake. That's my own personal barbecue rub. We have some jumbo shrimp, really jumbo, cut in half. All right, and we're gonna bread these up. So we're gonna start with a little bit of flour, shake off the excess, go into the egg wash, again, shake off the excess, and then get them into these tortilla chips, Doritos, salsa verde. All right, press them in there. And there we go. We're gonna set this off to a side on another tray and repeat the process a bunch more times. All right, we're up to temp. Let's get our shrimps in there. Lower them in slowly. Let that oil start browning everything, start crisping it up. Just want them to get golden brown and cooked all the way through. Okay, about 3 minutes later, there we go. We got a rack over a pan here, and we're just gonna set them down on it. Normally I would salt these, but since the Doritos have plenty of salt on them, no need to do that. All right, y'all, it's time to build up these Doritos shrimp tacos. Guys, these look so good. I'm so excited for this. These are pretty hefty shrimps. These are really big. I had to cut them in half for this. So we're gonna only add 1 or 2 to each. There we go. Look at that. Going with a little cabbage on there. Nice. Got a little cheddar jack cheese going on. Guacamole on top. Of course, this is homemade. Like, I did not buy this at the grocery store. It is not in a deli container right here. Totally homemade. All right, there's our tacos. We gotta get a bite. All right, y'all, tacos are done. Time to get a bite. Guys, it's a little extra effort to fry the shrimp in the Doritos crust, but guys, it's so dang tasty. Cheers, y'all. Y'all hear that crunch? The flavor is amazing coming through. Got these fresh corn tortillas too, so it's just that homemade guacamole in there. Guys, cheers. Listen, if you're gonna have shrimp tacos, you need to have an adult beverage with it. Or don't, especially if you're making these for the kids. All right, guys, give this a try. Comment down below. What else do you add to your tacos? But baby, you know these are good.